So I have ordered on eBay this alarm system. I think it will work with anything on 12 volts, including cars, bigger cars, motorcycles. So they told me it's very easy to install. This is a dummy alarm system, but it seems to me it's very efficient. So what do we have here? We have two remotes. Satellite tracker. In this case we have two versions. We have a close range version, this one right here. It will need only one battery, the CR2032. Then you have the other version that's more complex. You can use a SIM card, a telephone SIM card, and it will tell you exactly the right position any place in the world. This one will tell you the position of the Twizy at a close range, not more than 20 feet, something like that. As you can see, it's all integrated here. We have a positive, negative, very easy to install. I think this wire right here, it's the antenna. And they also told me I will have the application. It's iOS friendly, Android friendly. So let's see right here. I will be using these guys right here for the positive and negative. Talking about the installation on the Renault Twizy. I already prepared everything. There you have. I've already disconnected the wires, the battery. You have two bolts holding this into place. And then you have the positive and the negative. As I was telling you earlier, I'll use these guys right here on the positive and negative. And it will look something like that. After connecting these guys to the battery, we will have to place this thing right here on the chassis, as it detects vibration. They told me you can choose the sensitivity with this button right here. Press down for 3 seconds and you have a sensitivity range from 1 to 4. This will be interesting. Okay, so I'll do this thing right here, and then in the next video you will see it on the Twizy installed and tested. As I was saying, you can install this on any motorcycle or vehicle. We will see if it works, if it worth the money. This is economic stuff and very easy to install. Okay, see you in the next video.